This is a review of the EGO CS1400 battery-powered chainsaw. It is the CS1400, and I've had this for about 2 months. I've used it several times. It's a 14-inch bar. This is where you add your chain oil. This is the actual 56-volt battery itself. Click here, it pulls out. Very weight is well distributed. This is the charger. This is the battery charger. You simply pop it in and it'll indicate how much charge it needs as it charges. As you can see, all the lights did turn on. It means it's fully charged. Been charging it now for several hours. Pop it off, you just pull it off. Slide it in here. Before I do that, I want to show you the chain mechanism. Instead of bolts and messing with wrenches, it has a nice finger dial. You just pull it off like this. Add your chain to your bar. The tensioner is here if you need more chain or less chain tension. Here's the sprocket for transferring power into the chain. Very straightforward. Chain tension here if you need it. There's the standard chainsaw brake. The chain will not function at all if the brake is on. So you want to remove that if you want to use it. Add your battery, pops right in, comes with a nice cover. Works great. I would recommend you not cut anything larger than 6 inches, and I'll cut